Rick here. Well, I thought today that we'd run over and clean the walks off over at my mom's house and my mom and dad's house, and then we're going to head over to Greene Street at some point, and I'll show you what's been going on over there, get you updated over there, and I'm gonna try to finish laying the tile in the shower downstairs today. So anyway, just come along for the ride. Spot's in here getting warmed up. You know, we haven't talked about Spot for a while, but his old neck is getting kind of stiff. He don't move around like he used to. So anyway, if you followed the channel for years, you know that he's had surgery a couple of different times, and I think maybe we're going to have to get surgery again with him, because he's getting to where his old neck ain't moving around. So anyway, I'll show you more. Thanks for coming along on the ride today, and I don't know, that's all I got to say. So show you more.
It was cold outside his window on that warm September night. I heard you tell him there was someone at home. Now things have changed and you felt all alone. You held him tight as he cared for you all night. Why do you expect me to wear an S upon my chest? I'm just a man who failed all your tests. I really need to talk to you, as I'm living on my own, feeling all alone. Everybody's gone, our house is not my home. Now the leaves are turning, some will burn into the night. The kids are playing, I see your mind is straying. Tell me
well, we got that done. Let's go on to the next thing. Okay, well, we're here at the house. Let me turn the radio down because YouTube's not going to like that. Okay. Here's what I started doing over here. Well, I think I talked in the last video about these kits that I bought for the floor. And this is what I've got here. I've used these a lot. Usually they make this in a gray color and then in this tan. But I kind of wanted to use the tan down here because if you remember correctly, we painted all of this up here that flat brown. So just to hide, I mean, not to hide something, but just to make it look all uniform, because there were so many different colors of wires, and you had the ductwork that was one color, and so. But anyway, here's the floor. I got this section painted yesterday. This is just that little storeroom back in here, and I don't know if I showed this before, but I wanted to show you this because this was inscribed in here, and you can read it. Herb, and let's see, what's it? Ida May, September 8th, 1967, on their 11th anniversary. So they were down here doing home renovations, building this bunker in 1967, I guess. This used to be the old coal chute, so I'm guessing that they cleaned it out, and I know they built this wall then, because this is a different concrete block than that over there, so this was built at a later time. And this would be, this looks like a 60s type of, or early 70s type of concrete block, so that's probably what they did. But anyway, I just thought that was neat. I wanted to put that in there. But yeah, so I started painting the floor. This is, of course, these walls got painted since the last time you peeked at this project, and then you can see where I left off. You do this in like, I usually do it like about 3 or 4 foot wide over, and then, because you have to take them sprinkles and sprinkle on there, because that's what makes it look like terrazzo floor. And then just do another section and another section. So that's kind of why it's laid out where it's squared off, because that's kind of the way I do it. It seems to blend together pretty well that way. So anyway, and still got my wet saw out because I'm not quite done in this bathroom. As you can see, I got the floor put in and got it grouted, but I still have to work on this bath shower here. So you can see we're up to about, kind of dark in here, you can see we're up to about there, so I got to finish that. And I should have had the guys spray this when they sprayed the rest of the ceiling, but at one point I was going to do something different in here, and now I've decided I'm going to leave it open like this, because it just kind of goes with the rest of this, because I really like this industrial look down here. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do. So that's got to be done, and I'm going to work on that right now. Show you more. Okay, well, let's see. That may shut off because of the music. I didn't think about that. So because, YouTube's pretty funny about music. I have my own music that is copywritten and listed through BMI. So I'm the one that gets the part of the royalties off of it, and YouTube won't even let me use my own music. So you figure that one out. So anyway, what we're doing is just laying this tile in here. You've seen me lay tile before, and this particular tile just uses this back butter in it here. So put it in there like that. And I'm using my spacers that we talked about before. If you haven't ever watched the channel before, and this is the first time tuning in, depending on which channel you're watching it on, whether it's Du Bois County Clips or RC Industry, you can still go to the section where all of the videos are categorized together, and this is Greene Street 2, as in Roman numeral 2. The reason it's that is because we have another house on Greene Street that used to be a rental, and so there's some videos of that one on there as well. But you kind of get the idea here. Well, can't hardly get all this in here, it's kind of small, but you can kind of get the idea of what I'm doing. And I'll just finish that out up to this point here, and then we'll grout it, kind of like we did the floor. So, anyway, I appreciate you watching, and thanks for subscribing. We got new subscribers all the time, and then sometimes people unsubscribe, and that's okay too, you know. If you don't want to watch the channel, I certainly don't want you to watch the channel. But I do appreciate all of you, because we've been doing this for about 10 years, making these videos, and many of you have seen all of our videos before, so you know that. But anyway, I will show you more when this gets done. Probably the next video will be when it gets complete, because this one's about done, guys. So again, thanks for watching. Tune in to both RC Industry and Du Bois County Clips, because you never know what this old guy is going to be doing. So, alright, show you more. Run, Tallulah, run!
Hi, baby.